Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Millie here. If you're new, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and stick around for more videos. Don't forget to also click on the notification bell in order to get notified anytime I post a new video. So on today's video, we're going to be covering these wire shelving in my pantry, and we're going to be doing it the cheapest way as possible. Now, what I am cutting right now are called foam boards, and you can get some from the dollar store or Walmart. I got mine from Walmart. It was a little bit more. I believe it was $7 for the whole board. So I used 4 boards for the whole pantry. And so that's what I am cutting right now. So before cutting these boards, I measured the length, the width, and also the front facing part of each shelf in the pantry, and I transferred those measurements onto these boards. So what I needed to do that, I needed a measuring tape, a ruler, a pencil, and a cutter, and that's the cutter that I'm using right now. And all of these things, you can get them from the dollar store. Also, before cutting, make sure your cutter is really sharp. Mine wasn't as sharp, so I had to go over the cutting a few times before I was able to get it done. And what that did was it made the line not so straight. So always make sure that your cutter is really sharp before you start cutting these boards. So this piece that I am holding now is the front facing piece. And what I'll be doing is I'll be taping it onto the large piece there so that it will be easier when I am covering them with the contact paper. It wouldn't be moving around, so it'll be easier for me. So this is the contact paper that I will be sticking onto the foam boards that I cut, and that will give it a smoother finish because as you can see, the edges are a little crooked. So once I put the contact paper on there, it will smoothen it all out. So we're done with the first one and we're on to the second one. And as you can see, I already did the cutting off camera because I did not want to bore you with that. And so I'm just doing the contact paper covering. And once we're done, we'll move on to the next. We need to do 8 of them. I need 8 of these boards for my pantry, so I'll be doing all of them off camera because you already know the process. So yeah, and once that is done, we will put them in the pantry together. This is how it looks. I really like it, and I think it makes it look more classy because the wiring sometimes looks funny. I don't know. This looks more professional.